coach, NLEX mentor, Jong Wichiko. Coach, congratulations. Coach, just your thoughts after coming back from a 13-point deficit and make it 2 in a row this conference?
Yeah, it was a great comeback by NLEX, by us in the end of the first half, para nakabalik kami sa laro. So maganda yung intensity na pinakita kasi ang bigat talaga kalaban yung Magnolia, lalaki. Tsaka maganda yung sistema nila. So especially na coming into this game, we only had 1 day of preparation. Well, they also had 1 day of preparation na natalo pa sila. So we felt na baka mas extra motivated sila, which lumabas naman sila na extra motivated. Swerte lang kami na maganda yung laro ni LJ. Ang ganda yung laro ni LJ. So breakout game niya ngayon. And congratulations LJ for being best player. He gives us a different dimension sa laro. So yun.